Hello, my name is Jose Benitez and I'm an application engineer with Yokogawa. Next to me is...
I'm Christian Loris. I'm the product manager for power analyzers and waveform products.
Today, we're going to unpack our newest SL2000 high-speed data acquisition unit. So let's see what is inside. Now I'm going to place the unit here next to the table. As you can see, the unit came with 4 modules. And then you just slide the module.
Here's the black bag that comes with the instrument, the power cable, the module cover slots for the modules that were already put into the instrument, and then the user's manual.
It also comes with the little feet supports, so the unit doesn't slide. So you can also install these on the feet.
Just above the plug port, there's the power switch. So just flick that on to turn it on. Plug that into the USB 3.0 port on the back here. And then I'll have Jose plug in the probes and get the module set up while I start hooking things up on the computer side.
And now we're gonna connect to the compensation probe signal. You can see it here on the front.
So on here, I'm just gonna first start off with the remote control just to see what the instrument looks like. So open up the remote control in the GUI, press add. Since we're connected via USB, I'm gonna go search for it that way. We found it, so I'm gonna register this device and then come back to this and specifically open this device that we just added. As you can see, with the new input module, all the settings have been initialized. So at this point, we can see that the probe's not necessarily perfect, so I'll have Jose compensate the probe on that end. A little too much. A little bit more. If you guys have any questions or need any help with setting up the instrument, we have a support team here to help. So feel free to visit our website or to email yca-support@yokogawa.com.
We are the precision makers.